Alright, this video is going to be talking about variables and how to create your own variables. So, to create a variable, normally you will use the word local before, and then you'll have the name, like, thing, and then you have an equal sign to say that it's going to be equal to this value. So I'm going to say 25. So this thing right here is equal to 25. And if I want to reference it in other parts of the script, I can just say thing for whatever I'm using it for. Obviously, it's going to error out here because I'm just saying the word thing. I'm referencing it, but I'm not doing anything with it. Um, but yeah, that's how you create um, local variables. But the thing is, sometimes you do not want them to be local. So basically, if I don't know. I don't think I've done an if statement tutorial yet, but if you have an if statement, which I'll get into later, if you have this, um, this is what if statements sort of look like. Obviously, something is going to be an error right now. So it's this local thing. If it's in this statement right here, it's only going to be um, able for like it's only going to be in the scope of that statement. So I can say thing here, I can reference it there. Obviously, it's still going to be an error because I'm not saying anything about it. But if I say it out here, this isn't really the best example, but it won't recognize it. However, if you get rid of the word local, then you will be able to use it out here. So yeah, also one thing some people do, if you want to leave a variable blank and then change it later, some people do like local and then just the name. But the thing is, you can do this and it sets something to nil, but it can only be local because if you just have the word thing, then it's going to be like, what are you doing? Because there's no words here that define it as a variable, basically. And if you do local, um, like local thing, then you can't have anything on the same line because it'll just convert anything that you put at the end of this line as the um, variable name, which is not what you'd want. So anyway, that's a brief summary about how you can use variables in your games, and I hope this helped.